This Christmas, do not deck the halls with lots of plastic. Instead, take a leaf out of your own garden. And I've got 2 gorgeous and simple tree decorations and 2 beautiful and equally simple table decorations you're going to love. First up is the easiest one of all. Now all you need to do is have a hunt around for any gum nuts or interesting seed pods. You can get some pretty out there ones if you look really closely. And then you can either use them au natural or pop a bit of silver or gold spray paint on for a bit more Christmas cheer. And then tie on a piece of twine or glue it on if it's easier, and they're ready to hang. Next up are these gorgeous, quite minimalist tree decorations. So I've just used a piece of timber moulding and then glued on some sticks from my yard. Cut your moulding to length and drill a hole at the top. And then cut twigs at various lengths to form the shape of a tree. Swipe on some PVA wood glue and secure the twigs. Add a pom-pom or star to the top of the tree for extra sparkle if you'd like, and then thread string or ribbon through the hole so you can hang it. For this elegant candle holder, you'll need to rustle up some foliage and flowers from your garden, and then some interesting bottles from the kitchen. Make sure you go for a couple of different heights and shapes as well. Once you've found the flowers and foliage that will fit into your glass bottles, then you might just need to trim them to length and pop them down in the top. If need be, use a stick or a skewer to really get them inside the bottle. Nestle them in so they look quite pretty. And then it's as simple as popping a candle on top. And this Christmassy kangaroo paw will look gorgeous in this old gin bottle. Just pop it inside and then a candle on top. And how's this for the Aussie version of a snow dome? It's simply a glass jar that's upside down, filled with water, and then popped in some very Christmassy callistemon or bottle brush flowers. With the jar empty, work out how many flowers will fit into it. Trim them to fit if needed. Once you're happy with the look, add the water, and jiggling the flowers and pushing them down will help remove air bubbles. Once completely full of water, tightly screw on the lid. Then wipe over some PVA glue and stick some twine or ribbon to decorate the lid. Try not to glue the lid closed though. Plastic is not fantastic this Christmas. And if you're looking for a great real alternative to a plastic fake tree, then look out for the Australian native woolly bush. This one's in a pot and it's living, so it will grow with you each year.